Welcome, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy M53, and I'll show you how to enable or disable NFC on this device. So first we should go into the settings application, and after that tap here to connections section. Here we can see the NFC and contactless payments. Just to activate the NFC you should click here once on the switcher, and after that we can see that the NFC is activated successfully, and you can use your device to make the different payments. Also you can switch here the contactless payments if you want, and just to turn off the NFC you should just click here once again on the switcher, and that's it. Also we have the second way how we can do that. So first open the notification panel, and somewhere here on the top bar you should find the NFC icon. If you have now this icon here, like in my case, you just should click here on this plus icon, and then you'll see here the NFC here. So just hold it and drag it here to add this icon to the top bar, then just click here to done, and just to use it to activate the NFC, click once on this icon, and that's it. To turn it off, click once again on the NFC icon. So that's how it looks. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.